Hello everyone, welcome to our video today. I'm go ahead and just have news products on my right hand. These are dough mixers. And let me give you the overall dimensions first. For the units, the overall depth, it is almost about like a 19 and 3/4 inches deep. And the heights of the units, overall heights, they are almost about like a 45 inches tall. And the width of the unit is about like a 20.5 inches wide. So this is overall sizes, and we can see the units front, they having the mid grinders, the connections. You can just release this secure locks. And on the side of the units, we have a speed adjuster for 3 levels to choice, and 1, 2, 3, and they do have a timer on the side and the power on buttons and the power off. And also have the sticker information on the side. They're using the 240 power and 3 phase for the units. And we also know the unit is about like a 40 cord capacities. And also on the back of the unit, we can see the ETL sanitation stickers. Looking the center of the units, we come in a big cover lid right here. And on the side of the units, we have 2 lockers to holding this pole secured. And at the back of the units, we're having a spin rope. You can just pull it up and lock it. You can just go ahead to turn on the machine to spin the doughs in the inner side. And also you can release it to open the 2 security locks and move forward. This is a big dough pot right here. And we can see this one is a replaceable. They come in with 3 different styling the hooks. This is from the manufacturer offers. And for this pot informations, the diameter for the overall is about like 15 inches. And the center of the depth of the unit is about like 16 inches deep. This one made in by the stainless steel and have 2 handlebars on each of the side. At the back of the unit is here. They have a security lock central hooks for you to aim in the center of the machine to secure it. And also from the back of the units, they do having the wire connections. So basically this one for the plugs, you need to find the technician to do the installation for you, because this one have no plug head coming with the units. And also the covers, they give you all the detail, the information for the gear informations. And that will be all demonstration information about these products. If you have more questions, feel free to contact with us. Thank you.